Hi YouTube, welcome to the MA Academy JavaScript Algorithms tutorial series. Now this is probably going to be a very long tutorial series. I'm planning on covering lots of algorithms. So if you have any kind of questions, suggestions or recommendations, feel free to put it in the comment section below. And if you found this tutorial useful, make sure to share it with your friends. Now in this tutorial, I will show you guys how to add a border to a word. So let's say you have a word like hello and you want to add border around it. And how do you do that? What functions do you use? How do you do it? We will cover that in this tutorial in a step-by-step fashion. So the first thing that you have to do is let's create a function for it. So now before we do that, let's create a variable, call it target, and the word let's say is hello. So you will be adding a border around this word hello. Now let's create a function. So this is the function that we will do, and let's name it add border. And this function will take an input or a parameter. So let's call it, let's say word in this case. Now next, what we do is let's create a variable or a constant variable, and let's call it wall because we want this wall to be on top and on bottom of it. So constant wall, and for this we are saying use the asterisk. So the asterisk character we have taken, and then you're saying repeat it. So we use the function called repeat, but how many times do we want to repeat it? So we say take the length of the word. So whatever the length of the word is, take it and add 2 to it. So the length of the word plus 2, so 1 to the left and 1 to the right of it. Let's return it. So let's say return wall, and let's do a console.log, the name of the function, and target. So in here, let's run it. So in here you can see guys that I get 7 asterisks. So why do I get 7 asterisks? So hello has 5 characters in here, and what we do is we say add 2 to it. So 5 plus 2 is 7. So let's say let's decrease the size of it to, let's say, he. Again, let's run it. So this time you can see that we have only 4 asterisks because 2 for H and E, and then we say take another 2 and add to it. Now let's write it hello. Let's make it hello again. And next what we do, so we got this upper and lower borders. So now what we can do is we have to add these asterisks to the left and right of the hello. So for that, let's say the word that we have taken as a parameter, and we are saying what take this asterisk and then concat it. So concat means add it to the left side of it, and then we are saying again take it and add this asterisk to the right side of it. This time let's save it, and let's say word, return word this time. Let's run it. Node, and then the name of it was add border. So in here you can see that we got this asterisk to the front and end of hello. So this asterisk in here, this is to the front of it. So in here if we add the caret symbol, and in here if we add the, let's say, the percentage symbol, and we run it again. So in here you can see that this caret, this is this one in here. So it adds it to the left side of the word. And this in here, this parameter that we are giving it to the concat function or the method, it adds it to the right side of it. So you can see that the percentage sign in here. So what do we do next? First, let's change it back. So in here, once we change it, the next thing that we are going to do is we are creating a new variable. Again, it's going to be constant, and let's say a new word. Again, in here, so what do? We have the upper wall. So the upper wall, this wall in here, this gives us the wall, so we can add it to the top of the word, and also we can add it to the bottom of the word. And then we have this word that adds it to the front and end of the word, this asterisk character. So next what we do is we are saying take the wall, add to it, and then a backslash n character, a new line character, and then we are saying take the word. So again, a new line character, and then we are saying take the wall. And this time, let's save it, and we are saying return new word. So how does it work? Let's see. So in here you can see that we have managed to add a border around our text, which was hello. So we have this wall in here, we have this wall in here, and then we have this asterisk before and after hello. So let's say we are making it hello, how are you? Let's run it. So in here you can see that again, as the size of it grows, so does the top and bottom border, and then we get this asterisk to the left and right of the word. So this is it for this one, guys. We covered this adding border to a word, this algorithm, and if you have any kind of questions, suggestions, or recommendations, feel free to put it in the comment section below. In the next tutorials, I will cover some more algorithms. I'm planning on covering more than 100 algorithms for this series. So again, if you have any questions, feel free to put it in the comment section below. And if you found this tutorial useful, make sure to share it with your friends, and I will see you guys in the next one.